Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How Make Iced Carbonated Spicy Cherry with cocoa beans and chili tea peach mango. First thing you gotta do is you put in the ice cubes from this mini ml bowl into this mug. And then you put in the spicy cherry with cocoa beans and chili tea bag into this mug. And now you go to the refrigerator and you fill the water into this mug from the refrigerator, and last but not least, you add in the sparkling water, which is called peach mango. Gotta make sure that it dilutes the tea bag into the water so till it goes dark. And there you go, folks. Here is your iced carbonated spicy cherry with cocoa beans and chili tea peach mango. Enjoy, folks. Thank you for watching. Peace and cheers, and also have a good summer. Thank you.